The R-Series vision inspection systems are designed and optimized to work seamlessly with Domino printers in your production line, providing you with a complete solution for your coding and marking process from just one supplier and a single point of contact to make your life easy. Let's have a look at how Domino's vision systems can benefit your production. For basic protection, they can check the print is present and at the right place. Advanced features ensure readability of machine-readable codes, and with optical character recognition, check that the content of your code is correct. For demanding and high-speed applications, our R-Series iTech vision systems can connect multiple camera systems. For large field and web applications, Domino can capture and validate printed codes utilizing our 2K line scan cameras. If you need to ensure barcode integrity, our advanced barcode package allows you to grade machine-readable codes following the ISO and IEC standards. To learn more about our Code and Check solution, get in contact with us. We're happy to hear from you.